Fry our tomatoes very well for a great tasty stew. So here I have curry powder and bay leaf. Let's saute our onions. Right, our tomato blend. It has bell pepper, fresh tomato and bell pepper. We are going to cook it down and fry it properly to make a good stew. Okay, today we are making a special stew, a unique stew, because I'm not going to use chicken, beef. I'm going to use cow skin, just cow skin, and the taste is very unique. All right, let me allow it to cook down. Already I am cooking the cow skin because it takes time to cook. Okay, it's fresh. This one is not already cooked one. This one is fresh one. So I'm already cooking it. Yeah, it's very strong. Cow skin is strong. So we're going to cook it and then we're going to use it to cook our stew. Look at the tomato. At this point, I'm going to add tomato puree. So I am cooking with both fresh tomato and tomato puree. Okay, so we're going to cook the tomato puree down. If you want to make a great stew, you have to have patience. You will need patience. Okay, allow it to cook down so that when you add your stock, it will taste good. I'm going to cover it so it doesn't start splashing. Tomatoes, look at that. When you cook it for a long time and it looks like this, then you know that it is ready to receive the broth. Okay, it's properly cooked, it's properly fried. So we are coming to the end of this video. Add our meat. It's properly seasoned. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. Then we dish our stew like that. Look at our stew. So if you want to learn how to make a delicious stew, then you follow these steps and you will be able to be cooking a delicious party style stew. It's time to dish it out. I'm going to remove the oil. As you can see, I use the oil to fry the tomatoes, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, so today I decided to make a unique stew using cow skin, and as you can see, it looks delicious and it's very delicious. If you've come to the end of this video, please subscribe, share this video, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. You use this special stew for your rice. You can use it to eat bread too, or yam, but mainly for rice. Thank you and God bless.